My name is Kazune. I will talk about Birmingham. I went to Birmingham. This talk will be divided into three parts. Firstly, I will talk about Symphony Hall. Symphony Hall was so beautiful and big. There was a Japanese woman in Symphony Hall. She played pipe organ. Secondly, then I went to library. Library was great because it was big and nice view. Thirdly, I ate hamburger in the shopping mall. Hamburger was very big and delicious. Finally, I had good time. I want to go Birmingham again. Thank you for listening.